Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 4 EVS, Chapter 23, Pochampally. We begin with the fill in the blanks. The first one, the newly bought threads are first put in boiling water to remove dirt and stains. Second, the threads are rolled into bundles after drying them. Third, the cloth is woven after the bundles of thread are put onto looms. Fourth, great skill is needed to weave special saris. Fifth, cotton thread is used to weave sheets. Sheets means bed sheets. Sixth, Pochampally saris have bright colors. 7. Size and number of needles change according to the design. Now write true or false. The first one, Muktapur village is in the Pochampally district of Karnataka. False. Second, Prasad learnt the skill of weaving from his school teacher. This statement is also false. The third one, silk cloth is woven in looms. True. Fourth, silk cloth and silk saris are woven from silk thread. This statement is also true. Fifth, weavers do not get a good price for their hard labor. True. Sixth, Pochampally is the name of a weave as well as a place. True. Seventh, Pochampally is usually done in dull colors. So this statement is false. It is done in very nice and bright colors. Answer the following question 1. How did Pochampally cloth get its name? Answer 1. Pochampally cloth got its name from Pochampally district. I repeat, Pochampally cloth got its name from Pochampally district. Question 2. Why does the loom need many needles? Answer 2. The loom needs many needles according to the design to be woven. I repeat, the loom needs many needles according to the design to be woven. Question 3. Why is Vani's home always filled with brightly colored threads? Answer 3. Vani's home is always filled with brightly colored threads because her parents weave Pochampally saris. I repeat, Vani's home is always filled with brightly colored threads because her parents weave Pochampally saris. Question 4. From where did Vani's parents learn to make such beautiful saris? Answer 4. Vani's parents learned to make such beautiful saris from their parents. I repeat, Vani's parents learned to make such beautiful saris from their parents. Question 5. Why are many weavers giving up this craft, which has been done by their family members for generations? Answer 5. Weavers are giving up this craft because A. Silk is becoming expensive day by day. B. Big shopkeepers give very little money for each sari. I repeat, weavers are giving up this craft because A. silk is becoming expensive day by day. B. Big shopkeepers give very little money for each sari. Children, you all can see this is a silkworm and the way it is weaving all the threads around it. So these threads are used to weave silk, and silk saris are made from these threads. Question 6. Describe how a Pochampally sari is made from buying the threads to the finishing of the sari. Answer 6. The process of making Pochampally sari is A. Buying threads from the market. B. Put them in boiling water to clean dirt and stains. C. Dye these threads in different bright colors. D. Threads are dried and rolled into bundles. E. Fix needles in the loom as per the designs. F. Put the threads in the loom. So this is the whole process and how the cloth is woven into beautiful sheets and saris. I repeat, the process of making Pochampally sari is A. Buying threads from the market. B. Put them in boiling water to clean dirt and stains. C. Dye these threads in different bright colors. D. Threads are dried and rolled into bundles. E. Fix needles in the loom as per the designs. F. Put the threads in the loom. Here we can see the process of weaving, how thread is woven on the charkha, and these are the looms where different needles are fitted and the threads of bright colors are fitted in the looms, and this is the process of weaving. This is how these people weave cloth. This is all done by man. And here we can see how the threads are colored. That is called dyeing. This is the dyeing process. All different bright colors, they do the dyeing of the threads. And beautiful color saris are made by these weavers. Question 7 is that we need to match the saris in column A with the states they belong to. So in column A we have 1. Pochampally saris. Second is Mysore silk saris. Third is Kanchipuram saris. Fourth is Tant cotton saris. Fifth, Bandhani saris. And sixth is Chanderi saris. And in B we have all the states. A is West Bengal. B is Rajasthan. C is Madhya Pradesh. D is Tamil Nadu. E Telangana. And F is Karnataka. So your answers will be that first Pochampally sari matches with E, that is Telangana. Second, Mysore silk saris match with F, that is Karnataka. D, Kanchipuram saris match with D, that is Tamil Nadu. Fourth, Tant cotton saris match with A, that is West Bengal. Fifth, Bandhani saris match with B, Rajasthan. And sixth, Chanderi saris, they match with C, that is Madhya Pradesh. So dear children, I hope you have understood. Now your homework is that you need to write all these question answers very neatly in your EVS notebook. So thank you and have a very nice day.